Hi, my math people. It is so good to be back with you. Gosh, it's been the longest 3 weeks without school. I hope some of you agree with me and you're like, yeah, I'm ready to be back. I know some of you, maybe not so much, but it's just nice to get back to a routine, some normalcy around here. We've been working the last 8 days just getting things ready, and it's just been nice to kind of be back in school mode. So I hope that you guys enjoy all the distance learning we have planned for you in the next few weeks and that you're bringing your positive attitude with you. I was so excited to see how many of you were online last Wednesday. It was really cool to see all of your answers to the 24 game. I was really impressed at how well you all were able to navigate through everything. I had to learn some things about Google Classroom, and it seemed like you guys already knew how to do a lot of that stuff. So thank you for doing that. It really helped me out a lot to know where you were at with everything. I'm going to go through a few things geometry related, and I'll give you some time to ask questions today. So kind of be thinking about them as I go through this. Okay. What will distance learning look like in math? So just like today, you have a Google slide, and you are going to see a Google slide every single day posted from me. Everything that you possibly could need is going to be linked into a Google slide. Okay, so homework will be there, answer keys, videos, anything that you could need for the day besides the textbook will be linked to the Google Slides. We are going to be doing a format like 2 days per lesson. And for the first day, it's going to be more of instruction based. So you're going to be taking notes or watching a video. There will be some days where there'll be some additional practice, maybe like a quizzes. And then day 2 is going to be all about homework. So you're going to be given that time to do your homework, ask questions, and then also correct your homework. What supplies will I need for distance learning? So paper, you're still going to be completing homework, so you need paper so that you can be writing things down. Pencils or even pens or felt tip markers I will allow, even though I love when you use pencil, but the pencil can get hazy when you are taking pictures, so if you do want to use a pen or something darker than a pencil, I will allow that. A calculator. Graphing or scientific is preferred. If you don't have your calculator, you need to find a way to get one. A handheld calculator is so much easier than your Chromebook calculator. You need to have access to the textbook. The PDF is on Google Classroom, or if you have a hardcover textbook at home, you can use that. If you need a textbook or want a textbook, the office does have some available for you to check out, so please contact them. And you guys bring a positive attitude. Okay, I'm learning, you're learning, we're all going to make mistakes, we're all going to be stressed out at times, and this is going to be hard, right? We've never done distance learning, we have no idea what it's going to look like, and so it's important that I'm bringing a positive attitude and that you guys are bringing a positive attitude. If you have any missing work, please take a picture or scan it in and email it to me. The end of the quarter is still on Friday, April 3rd, so that's this Friday. So please get it turned in before then. Attendance. So you're going to be required to go through these slides every day, watch any videos, and complete any assignments. When you are done with everything for math for the day, you are going to mark it as done. Okay, and I know most of you know how to do this. If you need help and you're not sure, okay, please let me know, but this is where I'm going to be able to see who's actually attending class, and it kind of helps me take an attendance every day. So please mark as done every day, but not until you're absolutely done with everything. I'm going to be available for office hours from 10 a.m. to noon and then 1 to 3. So I'll be available through email. I'll be checking it periodically throughout those times. And I will also be checking the question and answer document that's posted to Google Classroom. And I can also set up a Google Meet if you need one. Okay, so I am available through all those options. I do have a whiteboard at home, so we can be going through problems together. Okay, so if you do want to set up a Google Meet, just let me know, or if you and a couple of friends need to set one up with me, okay, we can do that as a class as well. The Q&A document that's posted on Google Classroom, please use that as like you're raising your hand in class. Okay, if you have a question that you think the whole class should hear, okay, write it in, and then I'll write in the answers so that everybody can kind of be checking it periodically and see the answers to it. So it can be math related, it can be about distance learning. If you're confused about how to do something, okay, that document will always be there. So our classwork or our review sheets, these are not going to be required at the moment. You're welcome. Okay, the PDF versions are still available. They'll be on Google Classroom for you to complete if you do want additional practice. Okay, I know some of you appreciate that and some of you need that extra practice, so those are available to you, and I'll also have an answer key for you. I'll even answer questions if you have questions about them. Okay, so those are still available to you, but not required. I kind of touched on homework earlier, but I just wanted to re-clarify a few things. Homework is going to be due on that second day of the lesson. So for example, we'll do 8.1 tomorrow, and then on Wednesday, we'll do 8.1 again. And that's when 8.1 homework will be due, is on Wednesday night at 11:59. Okay, you must show your work. That is the only way for me to know that you guys are understanding what's going on. So I need to see your work. You will receive a 0 if you do not show your work. Okay, correct your homework is just the same as in class. You're going to correct it with the answer key posted to the Google Slides every day. Okay, and then you'll upload it. You'll take a picture and then upload it just like you did with the 24 game. At this time, there are not going to be any quizzes throughout the chapters. Okay, this could change. We are only going to be given the unit tests at the end of each chapter, and more information will be on that later once we get closer to a test day. If you have done Chapter 6 test corrections, they will not be going in the grade book for quarter 3. Okay, we decided as a department that some kids have their tests, some kids don't. Some kids haven't completed it yet, so it just makes sense that we're not doing the Chapter 6 test corrections at this time. The MCA math practice, okay, we are not going to be doing MCA reviews at this point, so please stop doing them. If you want to continue doing that practice, please let me know and I can make sure those resources are available to you. That's all I have for you today. Ask me any questions. Go on the Q&A doc, at least so you know where it's at. Ask me anything. Okay, again, I'm new to this, just like you are. So I could have forgotten something major that I'm just not thinking about right now. So ask questions, please. You also, if you scroll down farther, you have a practice submitting your homework. Okay, and so you're going to be finding the area of some of these figures on the next slide. Okay, and then upload it by 11:59 tonight. Okay, I miss you guys. Please keep reaching out through email. I really appreciate it. I love hearing from you, and have a great day.